Hey there, tattoo artists and enthusiasts. Check out the One Tattoo World 100-piece disposable needle and tube set designed for precision and safety. This kit includes a variety of RL, RS, and M1 needles, perfect for any tattoo design you want to create. Each needle is pre-sterilized, ensuring a safe and clean experience for your at-home or professional work. The needles come pre-inserted in black grit tubes, offering a comfortable, no-slip hold for better control. Compatible with most rotary tattoo machines, these needles help you deliver detailed and vibrant tattoos with ease. One Tattoo World focuses on providing premium, sterilized tools so you can express your creativity confidently. Elevate your tattooing experience with this comprehensive and reliable needle set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.